Welcome to our complete guide on how to buy Castle App Premium for 2025. We'll walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's check if your device is compatible with Castle App. You'll need iOS 12 or later, or Android 8.0 and above. Next, let's create your Castle App account. Open the app and follow these simple steps to get started. Now, it's time to navigate to the Premium Purchase section. Tap on the Premium tab from the main menu. Castle App offers both monthly and annual subscription options. Let's break down the differences. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. Consider how often you'll use the app before making your decision. Next, enter your payment information. Castle App supports various secure payment methods, making the process hassle-free. Before finalizing the purchase, review your order to ensure all details are correct. This step is crucial. Congratulations! After your purchase, you'll gain access to all the premium features. Here's what to expect. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Check out our FAQs or reach out to customer support for assistance.